How to turn off comments on Instagram Reels. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to turn off comments on Instagram Reels. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Select a reel. On Instagram, tap on the profile icon. Then, on your profile, you will see the icon for Reels. Mine here is in the middle. Tap the icon and select any reel you want. Step 2. Turn off comments. Tap on the comments icon. At the right side, you will see 3 dots. Tap it, then select Turn off commenting. And that's it! That is how you turn off comments on Instagram Reels. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!